we have education.
Yeah, education, yeah, music. So I buy my own band equipment, like my own drum, my own everything.
Thank you.
Someone
now you just took that from me in Ethiopia, but now brand new again.
Brand new again. Yeah, family. So we're there with the artist TreaJah, man. And as I said, guys, we're actually going to the studio for the final recording. To show you, you know, real live Jamaican Pan-African music. So TreaJah, what you want to say to the people then?
Yeah, man, I said Kenya produce nice fruit, you know. So we give thanks for that. Alright, so we say, yeah, man, it's an education thing. Black Africa thing is all about education. So you see this one, it's called education.
Oh, you write this one here recently?
This one's appealing to all the youths. Study to show thyself approve. Education is a thing that's best to we. Keep us on top of our destiny. Destiny, destiny, yeah. I'm appealing to all the youths. Study to show thyself approve. Education is best to we. Keep us on top of our destiny. That's what I have to say to Mama Africa. That's God.
And you know, guys, when TreaJah is here, work with me in positive Pan-African music, that's getting me excited, family. So I'm really actually going on this journey, guys. You know what I mean? And as Bob Marley said, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. We're gonna use the music to do that, family. And TreaJah right now, I want to get my own equipment, my own drum, my own guitar, my own piano, my own saxophone, everything, family.
Because you best answer ya before do that abroad. Let inside for the youth some learning skill. That on the streets or in the room they will be learning still. Give them the motivation and the learning will. So them teacher keep the future youths learning still. I'm appealing to all the youths. Study to show thyself approve.
I want to blow up this type of reggae music here and mix it up with other Pan-African music, and you know, use the music to free the people mind, family. So let's go to the studio. You have anything you want to tell them, you know, TreaJah, man, anything else?
Just power to the people.
Yeah, power to the people.
Power to the people.
Alright?
Now this revolution is a conscious revolution. If the people is for the revolution, I'm for the revolution. Salute.
Now this one is from Mama Africa. Cars on production. The best of the best.
Because if Jah is for us, who can be against us? Again, we say if Jah is for us, who can be against us? Salute, my artist out of yard. After the years, Rasta love, my lord.
Tell them something.
Yeah, man. So we just get it right, you know. In order for us to do the right thing, we're getting it right. So we still as a mambo forward to the people. Because the revolution is for the people. And for the revolution. We got you. Yes, mama, we got you. Hey, mama, we got you. Let the torch and deliver the statue. Hey, mama, we got you. Yes, mama, we got you. Hey, mama, we got you. No more bombs in Africa. No more guns in Africa. No more war in Africa. We need some more star in Africa. From the Ivory Coast and to the River Nile. Every actors and every man. Every actors and juvenile. The side of Africa smile. Presidents scattered in all different grown. African we have a brother home. People without a nation to call your own. Living as a people without. Through the passage of time and the glory lies, people still made it through the golden eyes. Silver light shining in the dark. Mention God, mention God, mention God, mention God, mention God, mention God, mention God. Through the passage of time and the glory lost by Africa, unified like the mention God, mention God, mention God. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, mama, we got you. Mama, mama, we got you. Hey mama, we got you. Hey mama, we got you. Like the torch on the Liberty statue. Hey mama, we got you. Yes mama, we got you. Hey mama, we got you. Don't you worry, don't you make you without you. No more guns in Africa. No more bombs in Africa. No more war in Africa. We need some more star in Africa. From the Ivory Coast and to the River Nile. They're ready. More comfortable, much more reliable. No, no, no. More comfortable, much more reliable. Just like home to preserve like my father, like my vegetarian, like my love is to preserve like my farm, like my vegetarian, like my herb, like my car. Love is to preserve like my farm. Super love, jumping on my boot, I love, while I'm not a super love, just a fully youth I love. Them say me cute, I love, trouble beer, the fruit I love. Them they drive the truth I love, you know me never fix. Looking cute I love, people say the truth I love. Them say me cute I love, them ask the truth I love. True me beer, the fruit I love. I know the truth I love, people say me cute I love. Love, love, more comfortable, much more reliable. Love, love, it's a what? Universal love. Love, love, more comfortable, much more reliable. them